recently, there is a growing concern that cinema and popular culture are sometimes used to construct a negative narratives about certain states. As seen in the debates around film likes, for example, Kerala Story, do you think cinema is increasingly being used as a political propaganda tool to shape public perception about a region or communities in India?
Well, the good news is that Kerala Stories, the halls seem to be empty and nobody's really watching it. And it shows you that there are people, the majority of this country have an understanding of what's what, have an understanding of what Kerala is and Kerala's traditions and cultures. But you're absolutely correct. Movies, TV, media has been weaponized. And it is being used precisely for that purpose, to vilify people, to alienate people, to create division in society, so that certain people can benefit and other people are harmed. And I think India has actually become very much like that. You know, if a person wants to make a particular type of movie, wants to say something in the media, wants to defend certain ideas in the media, I face this all the time. He will be attacked and he will not be allowed to speak. Whereas certain other ideas, you can spread them, propagate them as much as you want, nothing will happen to you. So yes, this is extremely damaging for the country, and it is happening. It's happening a lot, and large amounts of money are being used to do this in India.